Present tense. Present simple. IUE they verb base form. He she it verb ses. I play football. You eat breakfast at 8 a.m. He writes a book. She speaks English fluently. It rains in the monsoon. We go to school daily. They watch TV in the evening. Present continuous. Subject am is our verb ing. I am studying. You are playing. He is eating. She is singing. It is raining. We are dancing. They are watching TV. Present perfect. Subject have has past participle v3. I have finished my work. You have seen this movie. He has eaten lunch. She has learned Spanish. It has stopped working. We have met before. They have traveled to Delhi. Present perfect. Continuous. Subject have has been verb ing. I have been studying for 2 hours. You have been running since morning. He has been working here since 2015. She has been waiting for you. It has been raining all day. We have been practicing cricket. They have been talking for hours.